When we look at disaster recovery, there are 5 key components to a complete solution. The software used to protect the data in the systems, the on-premise infrastructure for local backups and quick restores, the cloud storage and system resources for your off-site recovery, the assessment and documentation of your recovery strategy, along with the implementation of the solution, and then the ongoing management and testing of the backup and recovery environment. Ubistor is typically combining all of those pieces in a very flexible operational expense based on their usage and specific business requirements. But we also have a great amount of flexibility on how we assemble this all together to ensure it makes sense for the customer and also for you as our partner. Once you have used the tools we provided to find a prospect, what do you do to get the sales process started with Ubistor? The easiest way is to reach out to us at sales@ubistor.com or use the opportunity registration page on our website. Once that is filled out, the sales team at Ubistor will automatically get the customer details you provided along with the other information. From there, we reach out to schedule an internal call to review that information you provided, or we can move right to meeting directly with the customer, depending on where you're at in the sales process. On those calls, we will provide an overview of our services and talk through the requirements in greater detail, and with this information, we'll be able to craft a complete proposal specific to their business needs. Once the proposal is complete, which usually takes just a few business days, we will send that to you to share with the customer. Ideally, we will also set up a follow-up call to review this proposal and potentially provide a demo of the services based on their level of interest. Hopefully, at this point, they'll want to move forward. In that case, we will craft all the required legal documents, working closely with you to deliver them and get the deal over the line. Our team is there to help you every step of the way and can be as hands-on as you would like. We know you're working with numerous customers every day, so you can leverage our team as much as needed to help drive the entire sales process. Once we receive back the signed agreements, we will initiate our closed sales process. Our service delivery team will reach out to the customer within a few days of getting these documents to coordinate the external kickoff meeting and start the implementation of our services. Our accounting team will establish any billing relationships as needed with the customer or your company and start the invoice process. This will depend on how our companies have partnered, either in a direct model or in an agency model. But in either case, we will coordinate sending the invoice to the appropriate entity and work to get the billing coordinated with the customer. Since every partner has a different commission program, it's difficult to say specifically how that would apply to you. But if there are questions, we can always get together with your sales and accounting teams to explain how this works in greater detail. Ubistor prides itself on customizable, comprehensive backup and disaster recovery solutions, and we are committed to making the sales process as streamlined as possible for you and your customers.